Welcome, beautiful people. So I have a new Poopsie for you guys. I'm so excited to open this up. Alright, so of course, let's start. Won't unlock. So again, this one is from Drop 1. I have some Drop 2 ones that are coming today. Because, gotta have my chunky cheese. That I bought on Mercury, I think it's called. So, unicorn food. Unicorn magic. The secret scent, which I can almost smell. It smells good. And then the spoon that just fell out. So, next. Remember, we're looking for some extra stuff in here. The cup. I want to say this is the bottle or whatever. This is the little figurine, the guide, and the instructions. So, no unfortunate, what is it that comes with it? Oh, the unicorn sparkle. It's that pink packet. That means it's ultra rare. So, it's either going to be a rare. I think it's only ultra rare only. Yep. So, it's either going to be a rare or a common. So, here is, of course, those guides that they send you, and I already have one. So, of course, the ones that I have now are these two bottom ones. Right. So, the In-N-Out one, and then the McDonald's one. So, I'm really any of them I want. The Disco Doo-Doos, I'm not a big of a fan of. The milkshake one, this one I kind of like. But yeah, a lot of the ones that I want are the ones that are up on this page. Alright, so it doesn't have a spout on it, so I almost want to say it's a coffee cup. So I almost want to say that it's Daisy Cow Pie, this one. And if it is, I'm going to be so excited. Like you can tell. So it says Poopsie on it. And then it says Barf Bucks. And then it's the cloud vomit. Oh my god, that's hilarious. Which means here's my Daisy Poo Cream Pie. So yeah. And then the cup color for this one is a kind of a greenish teal. I like it. And then the spoon's either gold or whatever. I don't really care what color it is. So yeah, I'm super excited about this one because it's one that I wanted. And I will be doing all the slimes soon, I promise. But yeah, thanks for watching.